Hello guys, Wildbeast here. So today we'll be playing Among Us. So guys, they have changed a lot in this. So we'll be seeing if it is the same Among Us, which was very good, or it is a very bad Among Us right now. So they have given me their own name. So it is Man Tom. What kind of a name is this? Creepy name, guys. I actually hate this name. I want to keep it as Wild Beast, but it is not possible right now as they have given so many updates. So now let's see. I actually want to be okay. I want to be an imposter. Okay, crewmate. Done. Okay, it has been a long time since I played this game. So what I have to do is okay, click the map. Okay. So I have a challenge in weapons. Okay, let's go there and let's finish the challenge. Okay, guys. Okay, download. Okay, let it happen. Let it happen. Oh man, why would you want to do this? No dead body is found. What kind of an idiot is he? He's an idiot, obviously. Kick him out, guys. They are not even speaking in. Oh my god, I can't type anything. What? Come stabbed. She sabotaged. Come sabotaged. Come sabotaged. No one sabotaged. Okay, what the heck, guys? Oh my god, a lot of guys. Why is Among Us become the worst game? Wait, get out! Notification, idiot. Skip. Okay. Okay, actually, guys, I just wanted to play a good game of Among Us, but some people are irritating me a lot. So for the first time, I should not get so much irritated, but I would have finished one challenge, but they stopped it, so I am really angry about that. Fast. Okay, done. Okay, why cake? Get out, man. Did you call the meeting? Go. I don't know. He is the imposter. No, you're not. But I don't care. Who told you to call, man? Get out. Okay, I'll go do the same challenge again. Okay. Download. What the heck, man? What do I do, guys? Just want to play a normal game of Among Us. It has been almost 6 months since I played Among Us, and when I come back to the game, this is what they do. I have started hating Among Us, guys. Guys, why are they irritating me? No one is dead. Simply, oh, this blue, dark blue. She is asking if it was a dead body or that emergency meeting. Kick her out. Kick her. Everyone, vote her. I think she'll get out now because everyone is really angry on her, and what she did was really bad, and she should have never done that. So oh my god, how many votes, guys? Get out. I know that you're not the imposter, but please get out. You're the worst. Get out. Okay, at least now I can play peacefully. Now let me go. Okay. Wait. What the heck? Leave the match. Leave. What are they irritating me? Why are they irritating me? Oh my god. Guys, Among Us is not the same. It is become a irritating game. Okay, at least in this lobby, please don't press that emergency meeting simply, guys. I can't withstand it, guys. It is really irritating. Do you understand? Oh, they can't even hear me. Why am I blabbering so much? Okay, now this game is gonna be interesting. Now you guys are going to see 1000 IQ play. So, want to do a challenge here. Should I vent? No. Okay, oh, there's a camera here. No. Should I vent? No, I'll wait for someone. Wait. Should I kill him? Okay, I should kill him. Okay, let's go. Okay, I will sabotage right now. Wait, I will go there and I'll sabotage. Upper engine. Okay. I want to kill someone. Come here, guys. Come here. Come inside. Only one person. Okay, should I kill him? No. Go, 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 go. Okay, I'll hide somewhere here. I think if someone comes near me, then I'll kill them. That is what. Oh my god! There were so many bodies here, but no one ever reported body in that lobby. Without dying itself, everyone was reporting bodies, and here so many bodies, so many people are dead. Then also they are not reporting. What kind of a game has this become? Why are they give stupid updates? Become it like this. See, make it like this. Why am I blabbering so much? Guys, oh my god. Among Us was a really good game, guys. I actually loved it a lot. But I got victory, but I'm not really proud about it. I'm really sad about it. What the heck, guys? Among Us? Why Among Us? Really ferocious on you, Among Us. What the heck, Among Us? Actually, you should have. Actually, I could have kept my own name. What is this Mantam? Who likes it? Do you like Mantam? What kind of name it is? At least some nice name it would have been fine. Mantam, it seems. Mantam. Guys, can someone name a person Mantam? It's like the Tom and Jerry Tom and a man. Mantom, come here. Mantom. And the okay, crewmate. Oh my god, I'm scolding him a lot. Among Us, I actually loved your game. That's why I'm scolding you guys. At least now, at least let me do one challenge at least. Okay, you guys understand now? Okay, let me go. Let me go. Okay, okay, guys. This is my first challenge done in this 6-minute video. This is my first challenge done. So I'm really proud about it. Right now only I'm proud. So is she the imposter? Let me wait here and see. Are you the imposter? Are you the imposter? No, she. Will she kill me? Kill me. No, she's not killing me. Then she's not the imposter. Okay. Let's assume that she's not the imposter. And if she is the imposter, then I'll be really sad about that. But what to do? The truth is always sad, right? So let's feel sad. Oh my god, why am I blabbering? No, I cannot blabber. Guys, dead body report. At least, so this is the best lobby. So they are reporting dead bodies. So one is like if you don't die, they'll simply give emergency meeting, and one more was like if you die itself, if you die also they won't report your body. And at least this is a good thing. So actually, I don't know who is the imposter. So maybe I'll click someone. Okay, that guy. Yeah, he looks a bit suspicious. I don't know why, but we have to do it. So that's all, guys. So that is what I am doing. So let's see. So okay, the one who called. Oh, no one is ejected. Okay, no one is ejected. No one is ejected. Okay, but Among Us was a really good game. They should have not done this with Among Us. They should have done it with Free Fire, PUBG, something. Get it? Oh my god. For making one YouTube channel, I'm showing so many YouTube channels notification. Why is this happening to me? Okay, there is a challenge in electrical, so let's go there. How do I go to electrical? Okay, wait. Okay. Actually, guys, in real life also, if I see Google Map also, I'll go wrong only, guys, because I'm really bad at routes. So now let's click this. Okay. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god, I'm leaving, guys. I'm leaving. Bye. They should have really not done this with Among Us, guys. But what to do? I really loved Among Us, but we learned through pain, right? Why am I blabbering? Okay, no worries. Bye, guys.